Hello guys, I'm Harlan Kuslas to tell you in this tutorial how to go for Gmail recovery in a case you don't have the recovery phone number and the recovery emails. How to recover? Of course, this can be possible by providing sufficient information to the Google via alternative way, and of course quickly it can be recovered. So how it is possible? We will see here. See guys, this area has been provided by my viewer because unfortunately he has lost his device, and now of course he would like to recover, so he doesn't have a space due to losing of his device. He hasn't access to a Swiss the phone number, and of course extra Gmail recovery, of course. So or Gmail, especially an email recovery. So now they will recover. So see here that we have a simple account recovery protocol. Similar strategy you have to, of course, go for follow. You will have to, of course, go for following all the instructions. So here, see, just we have a one option. Either you have to enter the password, otherwise, of course, you can go with try another way. So let's pick this try another way. Now, what will happen here? Here is asking so that you have the phone number. Then, of course, fine, but due to losing of his special device, he hasn't. So what can I? We don't have a phone number. Let's have the alternative options. Now it's a section the couldn't sign. So why it is? Yes, because you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is yours. So now what we have to do? Yes, we will have to go for here another way, alternative options. Here if I go for try again and again, then it will be a freeze for time being. So in that condition, we will click on a Play Store, guys, and let's come in the Play Store, and we will have to write here VWAL the browser snapshots. This browser, of course, I have already especially see here installed, so directly we will open it for 7 times. Now we will have to accept a term and condition here. So let's go for continue. Now we will go for defaults, set defaults, yeah, etc. So here just smartly you will have to handle, cut it from here and hold it there, especially this. Let's come in a Google product, and upon hold this especially the Google browser, and upon of course we will click on here. Now we will go for notification that we will have to make it disable, and upon of course once again we will come the permission. In the permission, of course, we will have to go for set. Of course we will have to click on a location, and we will go for don't allow, and of course we will make it see here firstly. Here it's allowed, so precise location that we will have to disable, and upon of course we will have to go for don't allow anyway. So the fine, so we have done it. Now of course once again we will come the Chrome, Google Chrome, hold it, and of course we will come in the help icon, and upon of course once again we will go for notification that will be blocked, and thereupon of course we will go for in a permission location allow, don't allow, and the precise we will have to make it disable, and upon of course after making what we will have to do, of course once again we will have to come in Chrome and hold it, come the notification, and upon yes browser app we will have to the pickets, and upon be it, of course have it. Now once again we will come on here. Once again we will go for continue, set the defaults, difference, customize, quick, of course we will go for, and upon of course no blocking, etc, etc, just start browsing. So we have done it. Now almost we are of course reach to the destination, guys. Don't worry, I will show you how it is possible. Just we will go for google.in or co-in especially, so let it especially open, guys. Now as we see here, guys, of course the sign in, there is options, just we will click on a sign in. Let's see what will happens. Now here particular ID that we will have to enter, so here just click here to enter. What was that? Riya Durge. Now of course we will go for an access. So what will happen here, guys? Now yes, we will go for forgot password. Of course we will click on here forgot password, and the person now here is the number. So recovery number is accounts, but we don't have the losing of his device, especially today he has no access to a phone number. So in that condition, of course, and quickly we would like to save data. So how it is possible? We will click here, we don't have the phone number. So now how it is possible? It's thanks to the account silence, because I did not still provide enough information. So here if I try again, then of course Google will trust that I'm the trying to access the particular ID that ID doesn't belong to me. So in that condition it will be afraid for timing. Or if I'm able to, then of course we will go with the alternative email with evidence or proof or documents on the basis of Google will endorse that this ID belongs to you or not. If it is genuine, then of course you will have options to create this strong password. But quickly, if you would like to, then cut it from here, no problem at all, guys. Just we will come the setting, tap on a setting, and thereupon of course we will come in especially Google service. Let's click on here. Now we have a 3 dot at the corner of the battery percentage. Just to see 3 dot, click on the help icons. Don't worry. Now of course here we have options in that. Can sign in. Can sign in. Now here, as we see here, it has been opened. Now we have options that let's go for select the issues. Explain your issues, guys. Fourth number, just think it that you think someone else is using, because you don't have the access of the phone number, you don't have the access of the email recovery, if you don't have password, if you don't have just email, then let's fix this one. This will be easy protocol to secure your account. Just we will click on here. Fine. Now here we have options. Review your account activity. Click on here. Now find out if your account has been hacked. Click on here. Now we have a Google recovery page. Just click on here. So now directly we will be arrested to a security center. Now what do you say, guys, here? Just we will click here the sign in. Don't worry. Now we are on this. Now just write this ID particular that we want. So let's see. Now of course we will go for here next. So just to see what will happen here, guys. Yes, I'm clicking on a next directly. Now see, guys, here we would be landed here. Here what we have to do now, just to see we have two options. Just don't click on continue. Just we will have to go for alternative option, that is a password update. And what will happen, let's see. Why don't we create the strong password here, guys? And of course, skipping there, if we skip, then you will have an opportunity also to add the recovery phone number. We have two options. Don't click on a save. Just create a strong password, then go for save it. Otherwise, directly click on a skip. And there, remove your alternative number that was, and add your own recovery number, add your own recovery email, and the phone. This is your ID now. Save your data quickly, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. I'd like this tutorial spontaneously, of course. If it is informative and knowledgeable in IT sector, then don't forget like, subscribe, and share out these concepts, because this is a thing that will inspire me a lot to make such as informative tutorial may be beneficial for those who are highly curious or desire to have this kind of the video by free of course from this channel. So thank you very much again. Thanks a lot, guys, for visiting Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye. Thank you very much indeed.